What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on 2000 Cavalier. The vehicle came in with no crank situation. So the customer told me he put on the new starter, but it still doesn't happen. Let's check it out under the hood and see what's going on. As you can see, right now the key is on. Alright, and I will stop crank it for you to see. Yep, as you can see, confirm the customer complaint. When we crank it, even we don't hear any sound of cranking. So confirm the customer complaint and let's start it. Check it out, see what's going on. As you can see, owner put a new starter in it and nothing happened. So, as you can see right here, all the solenoid harness here, and you can see, go to the short harness right here, and you can see this harness that from some wire go to the starter. You can see the red wire right there go to the solenoid control, and another red, I guess, connect to the back of the solenoid. That means they get the power feed from there. And then the harness, as you can see, go up here and go all inside this relay. Yep. And then I believe this is the starter relay. Okay, let me get everything ready with the cameraman and then we'll check it out. Easiest step, we need to check the power here first and then see something happen here or battery relay, something like that. As you can see, I know the new starter, but all the ways don't believe the aftermarket new part, guys. Like as you can see right here, the solenoid control here, you can crank the engine from here, make sure everything's safe, and then you can test for the starter by pump the power to that terminal. Yep, as you can see, it's start right now. It's crank right now. Okay. Yep, I have the resource. It goes started. So now get the connected connector and check it out. See something in here. From this connector, I would like to see one ground from the starter's solenoid, one ground for the relay's control side, and one power with the key off for the power feed on the solenoid low side. So let's check it out. Yep, as you can see, we have two red wire here. One I would like to see with power. Yep, I have the powers on one side. And you can see, even you can hear the tone telling that the power. And this from this ground from the solenoid, you can able to start. You crank the engine from here. Let me do it. Let you see. Yep. We have goods here from the low side of the relay. And what about the control side? Like earlier I said, at least we have one with crack. But I check on this, nothing. And then on this, also nothing. That means we get closer to the problem. We're missing the crown right here. As you can see on the harness, we have the purple wire. This purple wire goes inside the harness here and back up here. Goes to another harness. That means I believe this wire controlled by the key on start position. So, and the last wire you can see right here, we have the black one, I believe. Yep, maybe black. No any color L on this. And you can see it go in here, and we have the end of the harness. We have 1, 2, and 3, and then 4 right here. 4 wire. Yeah, that wire is same size with this wire, right? And then connect to the transmission. And as you can see right here, I could use the tester check on this bolt. See, we have the ground. I don't know you guys see on, yeah, this bolt. Yep. The tool telling me we have the ground on the bolt. That's on the wire. Alice, you see. Oh, seems we have nothing. Okay, we got nothing here. Okay, let's see. Quick check, guys. So, as you can see, new started. Don't be a part changer, guys. Yeah, as you can see, I use this wire. I will clamp on the element. Let's see, between the element and so I clamp on the element right there, so you can see. Let me zoom in, you guys, easy to see. Yep, you can see that this is the bolt down here, and then between the bolt and transmission maybe dirty, no connection or something. Yeah, I put another end of wire. Another end of wire is here, you guys. Let's see. I can put this on the battery negative, like that. Okay. That means, and now we can check on the thing right here. Yeah. Yep. I got the ground right here. So, what not to do? I would like to put it back. Yep. Put the relay back. Make sure everything here okay. And we go inside the car, start it. If it starts, the problem is fixed. Okay, let's see. Yep, key on. Yep, let me crank it. Oh, yep. You see, and make sure turn it up and do again. Okay, that's it, guys. Easy fix. don't be a part changer. Alright, as you can see here, the bowl, the ground wire for the control relay, starter relay, is connected to this bowl. So, but I believe when they remove the starter, and then they have to remove this flatted cover, you know, this the dot cover, this, you can see it's just the flatted. And then I don't know where this wire was, but they put it here. That means, you know, the Alice is just touching the flatted and no ground at all, when on the between the bowl and the Alice is dirty and disconnect, completely disconnect, no connection at all here. That's why we don't have ground right here. And the reason why they remove the starter, maybe the starter died, and then after they put the new starter in, and they wrong connect right here. That's why the problem. This cover, when they remove the starter, they have to remove the cover for sure. I don't see the mark on the bowl, but it's okay. Maybe it's not too tight, not too much torque. That's why you don't see the mark. But on this bowl, you can see the marks is white mark right there. That means someone involved here for sure to loose this bowl, remove the cover, put it back like this. That's why missing ground. Alright, let me remove this wire, and then you guys can see what we see in here. I can see the screw. This is the screw and not the bowl. Not too tight, but you can see in the back of the head of the bowl, it seems to be still black paint, and very, very bad for electrical connection. So as you can see on the Alice, you can see it's still black. It's super dirty, and then that's why we cannot get the ground here. Okay, then you can see the Alice is super dirty, and the back here seems to be a little okay, but we have to remove these wires to somewhere else. Over here it's not too tight. Okay, even on this screw, you know, when it just connects, there's a good connection for a while, and then if this screw will get loose, and then we'll get the problem in the future. Okay, let me remove this ground to another location, and then let you guys see how the vehicle start. Okay, guys, the ground wire was on this nut, this screw, and I remove it. I don't use right here no more, and I don't have any bolts right here for the wire, and then I use on the starter wire. You can see right here the long bolts. I already took it out and made sure when we put the wire in this, as you can see right here, it's super clean. I cleaned this side because the paint on it. Yeah, remove the paint, make sure super clean. On the bowl, as you can see, inside the bowl here is super clean, and on the wires we have to clean both sides. You see, both sides super clean, and then you see this hole fit perfectly. So now I try to put it back in like this, you know, this it. Make sure it's not too far. Yep, you can see, and the harness still loose good enough. And then let me tighten it back in and try to see how it works. Okay guys, the ground already relocation, so make sure everything correct for the future. And you can crank start right now, but a few weeks later, a few months later, a few season, rain season, something like that, and it will back connection from there, and it will not crank anymore. So the wire have been relocation, so now everything put back, no need to replace, remove this relay harness and check for continuity again, no needed. For now, it's just jump in the car and start it, see how it starts. So let's see. Yep, it starts. Yep, it starts. Okay, that's it guys. And every time you have your own vehicle, or you're working on the customer car, you work on the people cars, people vehicles. So first thing, don't be a part changer. If you think something telling you sensor this component, this component, that component, this sensor, that sensor, and you remove it, and you you don't have to crank situation, you remove the starter, it just wastes your time and wastes your money. Alright, that's it guys, thanks for watching, see you guys next time.